How to get iOS 18.2 beta. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS 18.2 beta on your iPhone. If you're excited to test out new features before anyone else, here's what you need to know. Alright, before we start, a quick reminder. Beta versions are still in testing, so they may have some bugs. So make sure to back up your data just in case. Ready? So let's dive right into it. First, open Safari and go to the Apple Beta Software Program website at beta.apple.com. Sign in with the Apple ID, and if you are not enrolled, click Sign Up and agree to the terms. Once enrolled, select iOS under the list of beta programs and scroll down to Download Profile. Tap it and you will be prompted to allow the download. Go to Settings to install the profile, then restart your iPhone. After restarting, go to Settings, tap on General, then go to Software Update. Here, you should see iOS 18.2 beta available. Tap Download and Install and wait for it to complete. Once done, your device will restart and you will be running iOS 18.2 beta. And that's it. You are now ready to explore the latest feature in iOS 18.2 beta. Enjoy and be sure to send any feedback to Apple to help improve the final release. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.